Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Tomorrow DIY. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Aukey 30,000 milliamp power bank. Just got this today in the mail. So let's open it and unbox it, and let's do a quick review of the device itself. It's a beautiful morning here outside my home. That's why I'm filming outside. So I do apologize. It's kind of hot out here, so really don't want to be in direct sunlight. So, wow. So let's put this here. So the power bank does come in its own pouch. Oh, this looks nice. Let's take it out. Ooh. So it has a spring clasp. It's neatly packaged. Oh, I like this. Oh. Oh, and it has another storage bag for your cable. So as you can see here, it says 30,000 milliamp hours. Micro USB in is 3 volts 2 amp, 5 volts 2 amps. Sorry, 3 amps. Oh, the writing is so small. But if you want to pause your video, you can see right there the input and output. It does say online at Aukey that it does support 30-watt power delivery, so out of the USB Type-C port. So you can definitely power up a small laptop or Chromebook that takes power delivery with a USB Type-C cable. When you're trying to power a high-powered device with one of these, you want to make sure you have a quality Type-C cable that supports 60 watts or higher. This specific one does 100 watts, so it should be safe to use this with the power bank with a high-powered device. And it also charges your other accessories like your iPhone, any Android phone. You can charge up to 3 devices simultaneously. You can charge it through USB Type-C or micro USB. With micro USB, you're looking at anywhere around 9 hours for a full charge. If you use USB Type-C with a high-quality Type-C power delivery charger like this one from Aukey as well, this is the 65-watt Omnia series charger. It does 65 watts out of the Type-C port and 12 watts out of the regular Type-A port. So definitely get this as well at Amazon. Right now it's $29.99 for Prime members, and there's a $5 off coupon. This is normally $75.99, but on Prime Day it was around $45.99 for Prime members, but still a great price. I would suggest shop around online to get a one, even if it's lightly used. It's still a great thing to get for to be on the road, things like that. I really love Aukey's products. I bought the charger. I've also bought their cables. Great quality stuff at a really affordable price. So that's pretty much it. You just click it right here and it turns on. It's probably not charged, so I have to charge it. But yeah, it supports power delivery 3.0, also quick charge 3.0, and it has 30 watts power delivery and has a high capacity. It's compatible with most devices like your Nintendo Switch, iPhones, Samsung, and most Android phones that do accept quick charge or fast charging. I believe on Samsung phones it doesn't support the full 25 watt fast charging. I think it only supports up to 18, I believe. But it'll still charge your Samsung phones pretty quickly, especially if you don't have a charger or anywhere to plug into a wall. This is nice. I know it's a little heavy. It's literally a brick, but it does. This model does come with a convenient carrying case, which I like. You can put the charger in right here in the outside pocket. It probably won't fit with the power bank in it, but yeah, you can store a cable in here. You would just roll it up. Let me just do a quick pause and show you that you can fit a full cable in there. Give me a moment. So as you can tell, see, my power bank's already in its pouch, and I have my Type-C cable. This one's about 3.3 meters, or about a little bit under 3 feet. So it fits everything nicely compact. You can throw this in your backpack or laptop bag. For you ladies, you can throw this inside your purse. Like I said, it is a little heavy, but it's you know 30 milliamp hour, 30,000, sorry, milliamp hours. So it's a high capacity. So maybe this might be too much for some people, but if you're gonna be on the road, you don't want to be plugged into a socket or a wall socket or a car plug-in. This is great, especially if you have your Nintendo Switch or you're playing games on your phone. This is a great device to have to power your devices. And it lasts a long time on a single charge. And like I said, if you charge this with a Type C and a power delivery charger like this one, like at least 30 over 30 watts, you can charge this under 4 hours, 4 to 6 hours. But in my experience, you can get a full charge in 4 hours. Definitely a great device from Aukey for the price. If you have any questions or concerns, feel down and leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to your questions with an answer. If I don't have the right answer, I'll provide you a link to Aukey's website, and you can read on all the details on their specifics about this device. Thank you. Please give a like and subscribe, and have a great day.